This is for Year 12 methods, and it's looking at the product of functions, the second in the series. This time I have an exponential times a trigonometric function, and I've got h of x equaling e to x times sine of x, where e of x is f of x, and I've got that drawn. And so I got it on the wrong one. That's g of x is sine of x, and f of x is e to the power of x, and h of x is the product of those two. So I'm interested in the line of y equals 1, because when I multiply the y coordinates together, anything multiplied by 1 equals the same thing. I'm interested in the line of y equals 0, and I'm also interested in the line of y equals negative 1, because when one of the y components equals negative 1, multiplying that by the other one will give me a negative value but of the same magnitude. Okay, so I'll go through all the zeros first. 0 times the blue curve will give me 0. 0 times the blue curve will give me 0. 0 times the blue curve, 0. So all of these will be on the x-axis because one of the y components on all of those values is 0. Now, multiplying by sine of x is really quite nice, because when y equals 1, 1 times the blue curve will equal the blue curve, 1 times the blue curve will equal the blue curve, 1 times the blue curve will equal the blue curve, 1 times the blue curve will equal the blue curve, 1 times the blue curve will equal the blue curve. When y equals negative 1, it's going to be the blue curve multiplied by negative 1. So the blue curve multiplied by negative 1 will give me a value the same distance below the x-axis as it was above. Negative 1 times this will give me a value there. That maybe should be there. Negative 1 times that will give me a value about there. Negative 1 times that will give me a value down there. Negative 1 times that will give me a value probably off my page. Okay, what's it going to look like? It's going to look like this. That's going to be the graph of h of x, the multiplication of the sine curve sine of x and e to the x.